Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aquarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So if you want more clarity or if you have some questions in your mind, you can watch that reading, guys. That may answer your questions or clear your doubts. So let's start with these cards here. We have Strength, Five of Earth, King of Air. So, in your circumstances, guys, Aquarius, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Maybe you are assessing your circumstances, seeing for some positive changes today, and you see your circumstances unfolding in such a way it may not be up to your expectation, guys, but there are opportunities coming towards you, guys. Aquarius, you cannot you have not realized that. Maybe you have overlooked, maybe there are some changes, some offers coming towards you. Maybe it may not be something you dreamt of or it may not be something you expected, but these opportunities are the offers for true abundance in your life. So you need to understand that and you need to accept things for their true value. Maybe you have overlooked because your expectations are not coming towards you, but these choices and offers may be something better than your expectation. So it may work in a better way than what you expected for yourself, guys, and you need to understand that. Maybe you are someone who is really confident about your skills and talents and about your wisdom. So you may have a certain level of you are someone who has belief in yourself and you are not ready to accept others' views and ideas. Maybe that may be the reason things are not going in a positive way today. So if you change your perception, things are going to change for you, guys. So you will know what is there in your present situation, what positive changes are happening in your life today, and you need to hold on. Maybe you, because something is not up to your expectation, you may feel dejected or disappointed, but instead of disappointments, if you can hold on, if you have that strength, willpower in your heart to go that distance, you will see success for sure, guys. So success is within your arm's length, within your grasp. You just have to see it. You have overlooked some opportunities in your life today and you are strong enough to move mountains. You need to just have faith. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Aquarius, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading. So for those who chose the first card, I will keep the second card aside. For this card, we will see what it is. It is the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So when you get this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are on the way to make an enormous sacrifice. You are considering maybe, and you are restricting your true voice. You are not speaking what you truly feel, and you are doing that in order to gain that acceptance from someone or avoid conflict. And you are giving up your emotions, maybe trying to fit yourself in your circumstances, in your environment. And maybe it is totally uncomfortable for you, painful for you, and you are feeling really heavy, ill at ease, you don't know what to do, you feel really uncomfortable and not at home and feeling really awkward, making these changes that are not true to your emotions or true to your heart. So instead of making such sacrifices which are really painful for you, which are not what you are trying to change yourself to something which is not the truth, guys. So this self sacrifice is only taking you towards more pain and sadness, and maybe in the long run you may earn the other person's pity but never love. So you need to understand that you should never deny your heritage, your talent, skills, and your abilities, your beautiful abilities. That is what is going to make you more lovable and true to yourself. So trying to change yourself is not going to help you in any way, guys. It is going to create more pain for you, and that is not the truth. You are trying to live a lie, so that is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So we should stand for the truth, what we honestly are, and when we build our relationship on that honesty, it is going to work. But when we change ourselves to something which we are not, and when we build that relationship on that lie, that relationship will move towards pain and more sadness, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it says courage. So with this card, it just means self-determination and conviction, having confidence in ourselves and standing for what we truly believe in. So standing firm for ourselves does not mean controlling or ignoring others, but for determining what is not up for negotiation. So certain things we truly believe in, we must stand for it, guys, and we must never compromise on our beliefs and ideals. That is what this card is about. So when we do that, when we have that self-determination, finding that purpose, we encourage the other person also to do the same. So we must be compassionate towards others, and we can listen to their beliefs or ideals, but never ever give up your convictions, your own convictions or belief. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we must be able to hold on to what we truly believe in, stand strong, stand confident and courageous. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.